No doubt, environmentalists have always frowned at the degradation of the ecosystem of the Lagos Lagoon. Perspectives crew visited the Okobaba community from the lagoon front. Aside the activities of sawmillers, which poses serious challenge to the environment, the amount of plastic waste littering the environment is so much more than an eyesore. Funke Adesoji could not but tell the story.
Lagos Lagoon is the most impacted coastal lagoon in the Gulf of Guinea. This is mainly due to the vast high density of human population and concentration of industries in Lagos State, as well as the high rate of development. These have altered the biodiversity of the lagoon drastically, posing hazards to human health. This is Okobaba Lagoon Front, which could be viewed from the Third Mainland Bridge. Apart from the activities of the sawmillers, which have already constituted environmental hazard, the amount of plastic waste in this part of the Lagos Lagoon is an eyesore. This community also lacks toilet facilities, and open defecation is the norm, whilst the residents are oblivious to the amount of damage they've inflicted on this water body.
Data lets us know that plastic waste is non-biodegradable, and it stays in the soil for 400 to 500 years. Data also lets us know that by 2050 there will be more plastic in our oceans. That's almost like a death sentence on anybody that consumes seafood. The unfortunate part of it is there is a serious knowledge gap. Very, very few Nigerians know or even care about sorting at source, separating the waste right from your kitchen, separating the waste right from your homes, because the long-term implications of it is death.
There are basic attitudes and behaviors that are not good towards the environment, from simple things like drinking pure water and throwing the sachet on the road, or a wrap of sweet or something. To not doing that will contribute towards reducing the humongous plastic pollution that we have around. Two, when it comes to destruction of trees, when it comes to killing of wildlife species, when it comes to overconsumption of bushmeat, when it comes to the elites who are dredging sand from rivers or from the ocean. So there are lots of ways, if we change our attitude, that we can contribute in terms of saving the Nigerian environment.
Environmentalists say plastic pollution is capable of affecting land, waterways and oceans, as large percentage of these marine and land creatures have died due to the fact that plastic is not biodegradable and it causes hazards to the soil. It also emits toxic gases when exposed or heated up.
We now need to adapt to the new climate norm that we have triggered off with our excessive pollution. And we're talking of hundreds and hundreds of millions of tons of these greenhouse gases are being emitted on a very, very frequent, regular basis. So our shorelines must be protected, and it's expensive. However, the cost of not protecting them well enough will far outweigh the cost of protection. Just the economic cost alone. When we now look on the sociological cost of the possibility of hundreds of thousands, if not tens of millions, being driven as refugees from a place that had been their home for generations. Horrendous social implications.
These wastes have both environmental, social, and economic implications if they are not well managed. If we do not manage this waste well, they will affect us today, they will affect our existence, that will affect our future, they will affect our children, and then that goes into sustainability. It will also affect the next generation.
Okobaba is not the only community on the Lagos Lagoon front that has seen environmental degradation to the state water bodies. But many agree that sustained training and campaign on proper waste disposal and management would reduce the violation on the ecosystem. Funke Adesoji, reporting for Perspectives.